Another day, another story. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Chat, a large language model trained by OpenAI. Chat is an AI-powered chatbot that can converse with humans in natural language, answering questions, providing information, and engaging in conversations. It was trained on a vast amount of text data, which allows it to understand the nuances of language and respond intelligently to a wide range of queries. Chat has been trained to understand a variety of topics, from science and technology to current events and pop culture. It can provide information on a wide range of subjects, answer complex questions, and even engage in philosophical discussions. One of the most impressive things about Chat is its ability to adapt to different styles of conversation. It can respond in a casual or formal tone, depending on the user's preferences, and it can also recognize and respond to emotions such as happiness, sadness, or frustration. Chat is used in a variety of settings, from customer service chatbots to personal assistants. It can also be used for educational purposes, providing students with an interactive and engaging way to learn new information. But despite its many strengths, Chat is not perfect. Like any AI-powered chatbot, it has limitations and can sometimes provide incorrect or irrelevant information. It's important for users to keep this in mind and to verify information whenever possible. In conclusion, Chat is a powerful and versatile chatbot that can provide valuable information and engage in intelligent conversation. As AI technology continues to advance, it's exciting to think about how tools like Chat could be used to improve communication and access to information in the future. Sure, what specific information would you like to know about Chat? Here are some possible topics. 1. How does Chat work? Chat, like many other natural language processing (NLP) models, works by processing input text and generating output text using complex algorithms and statistical models. At a high level, Chat is a type of neural network known as a transformer model, which was first introduced by Google in 2017. Transformer models are designed to process sequences of data, such as text, and to identify patterns and relationships between different parts of the sequence. Specifically, Chat is based on a type of transformer model called the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, which was developed by OpenAI. The GPT model is pre-trained on a large corpus of text data, such as books, articles, and web pages, in order to learn patterns and relationships between words and phrases. Once trained, Chat can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or domains, such as customer service or education. This involves training the model on a smaller dataset of domain-specific text, which allows it to learn more specialized language and respond more accurately to specific types of queries. When a user inputs text into Chat, the model processes the input and generates a response based on the patterns and relationships it has learned from the pre-training and fine-tuning processes. The output text is then returned to the user, often with additional context or follow-up questions. Overall, Chat is a complex and powerful tool for natural language processing that relies on advanced algorithms and large amounts of data to generate intelligent and engaging responses to a wide range of queries. 2. What is the history of Chat and how was it developed? Chat is a language model developed by OpenAI, a research organization focused on artificial intelligence and machine learning. The history of Chat can be traced back to 2018, when OpenAI released the first version of the GPT model. The GPT model was designed to be a generative language model, meaning it could generate new text based on input text. It was trained on a massive corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites, using a technique called unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning involves training a model on a large dataset without explicit guidance or labels, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships in the data on its own. The first version of the GPT model was relatively small, with 117 million parameters, but it was already capable of generating coherent and grammatical sentences. OpenAI continued to refine the model, releasing larger and more powerful versions over time. In June 2020, OpenAI released the largest and most powerful version of the GPT model, known as GPT-3. This model has 175 billion parameters and can generate highly sophisticated and nuanced text, with many users describing it as almost human-like in its abilities. ChatBot is a variant of the GPT model that has been fine-tuned for use as a chatbot. OpenAI has released several versions of ChatBot, each one with increasing levels of sophistication and accuracy. The most recent version, released in 2020, is known as ChatBot-3, which has been trained on an even larger dataset and can provide more accurate and natural responses to a wider range of queries. Overall, the development of ChatBot and the GPT model represents a major breakthrough in the field of natural language processing, allowing for the development of more sophisticated chatbots and AI-powered assistants that can understand and respond to human language in increasingly human-like ways. Thanks for watching.